All right, guys, today coming to you with an unboxing. I don't know about you guys, man, but I am an Amazon shopper. And I'm always on Amazon looking for grills, grilling accessories, the new hot stuff. So this is what I have today. This is what I just purchased. Let me get in on it right there. It is a small charcoal barbecue grill. Um, it had very good reviews. Let me see if I can get in a little closer to it. Sorry for the bad footage. This is the name of it right there. Made in China. I found it on Amazon and the thing has really good reviews. I wanted something that I could put on my tabletop right here. Something that I could, do some quick kebabs or, just something I could use to a little small, something real small that I could sit on this tabletop. Give me some good charcoal flavor without having to light up these big old charcoal grills. So, without further ado, here it is. Put it together last night. It's kind of what you would find. Um, I can't exactly remember what they call the little Japanese grills, but this is pretty much it. It's the same deal, pretty much. You have one little grate that comes out. Inside, you have a little rack for your charcoal. This also comes in black. I got the aluminum stainless steel, I guess is what you can call it. It has 4 legs. I mean, it took me like literally like, let me sit this camera back down. It took me literally like 2 minutes to put this thing together. There you go. It has a handle right here that you use to pick up the cooking grate. And all for the cool price of like 25 bucks, man. On the side, it has some air vents. There's no way to adjust them because it ain't meant for that. This is meant for fast, quick cooking, quick searing. That's what it's meant for. That's exactly what it's meant for. This is, from the reviews that I've read, this is a steak cooking, kebab cooking machine right here. So that's exactly what we're gonna do with it. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to Sam's Club. I'm about to pick me up a tomahawk ribeye, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna drop that tomahawk ribeye right on here. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. I've got a small chimney of charcoal fired up. I don't know how much charcoal I'm gonna need for this, but I'm gonna start off with this, and if this is too much, then I'm just gonna dump it. I got a small wax cube that I'm gonna use to light it. And let's see how it all works out. And there we go. That's not a big charcoal chimney, that's a very small one. Uh, so we're gonna light it up and see how it all works out. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right. I wasn't able to find a cowboy ribeye, but I was able to find some flanking style short ribs. So that's what we're gonna use. That's what we're gonna use to test out this little hibachi grill. And we're gonna do a simple seasoning, olive oil, on both sides, of course, and just salt and pepper. When you're working with a grill like this, you don't want to add a lot of sugary rubs and stuff like that, because I mean the flame is going to be the heat is going to be so intense and so close to the product, the meat that you're cooking, that it wouldn't make sense to use something with a lot of sugar or a lot of garlic powder and all that stuff. So we're gonna keep it simple. Salt and pepper. Salt, we got the pepper. Also, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to skewer these short ribs. I'm gonna try to use 2 skewers so that I can manipulate them and get them off the grill. I'm gonna do 2 in 1. I don't know if you can see this. So that's my short rib skewer. All right, as you can see, I don't have much charcoal in there. I don't know if you can see it. There's not much charcoal in there. Let me put that back where it was. And that's it. Gonna spread it out. Spread it out nice and even. Ooh, it's hot. I definitely recommend you getting some tongs. It's hot. I think that's about all we're gonna do with it. Spread it out as best we can. And now, let me set the camera back up. All right, I don't hear much of a sizzle. Maybe I don't have enough charcoal on there. But we shall see. I'm gonna go on with 3 short ribs. Skewer it down. I'm gonna turn the timer on and see just exactly how long it takes me to get them done. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I definitely think one chimney load of charcoal is all you're gonna need. I use lump charcoal, Western's lump charcoal. But as you can see right now, I'm starting to get some good sizzle. So I definitely don't think you wanna load it all the way up to the top. There's plenty enough room, enough airflow and enough charcoal in there off one chimney to get these going. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of flare-ups from the fat rendering down off the short ribs, but yeah, I think even when we check it though, they still look pretty good. Still looks really, really good. Still looks really, really good. So I'm gonna let them stay on this side for about another minute and then I'm gonna flip. But yeah, we're getting some good sear. Excellent sear. Let me move this up just a little bit. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna flip them over. Look at there. Pretty nice. Did about 2.5 minutes on each side. They smell really, really good though. Like really, really good. I would say with this type of grill, you definitely want to use a lump charcoal. I don't think a charcoal briquette will give you that good wood flavor that you're gonna be looking for. With these kind of grills, they're impact grills. You're looking to impact that meat quick and fast, so you want the best charcoal that's gonna give you the most flavor, and definitely that's gonna be lump charcoal. All right, so far so good. I took off 2 of them so far. They look really good, got good caramelization. I put on some more. What I will tell you is I would definitely, I don't know if you can see it, I would definitely foil wrap it at the bottom first for easy cleanup. I didn't think about that. So far the grate is holding up pretty good on this grill. It's not warping, it's not burning through. But man, the flavor coming off of this meat is incredible, man. Yeah, that short rib is done right there too. Look at there. Beautiful. I do have a little drip, a little grease dripping in the corner. I would definitely say probably put a foil pan or, you know, maybe put some foil underneath it to catch all your dripping. I don't know why that's coming out the corner. But they look good. They smell really good. So far so good, y'all. $25. Amazon. Yeah, boy. All right, guys. This is my second batch of short ribs on here, flanking ribs. I would definitely say like any kind of, grill like this, that you're definitely going to have to continue to flip the meat. I would say probably every 45 seconds to a minute you're going to be flipping, just so that you get, because it's so much direct heat. I'm going to take the first bite of one of these short ribs. Still got a few on. But, oh yeah. The smoke flavor is really nice. Nice and tender. I would definitely recommend putting them on these skewers, man. The skewers just make it so much easier to handle. Yeah, man. That's some good eating right there. That's some good eating. So all in all, I would give this a thumbs up, brother. I would definitely give it a thumbs up. It's not a long time solution, but it definitely does the job. Well, that's all I got for y'all today, man. And as always, man, good food, good vibe. Peace.